Teacher Tech Tip. We are going to take a paragraph in English and we are going to put that into a column over here in Spanish. And you could copy and paste from Google Translate, but we can actually activate Google Translate inside of the Google Sheets. So the way to do that is to have a handy dandy formula. You can look this up, but I like to just keep it on a sticky note along with other useful formulas and copy and paste as needed. So I am going to paste my formula in here, and when I double click on it, it shows the actual formula. However, you see that it is referring to A2, which is over here. I don't want that. I want to translate this row and this column and therefore this cell, which is B4. So I'm going to change this to B4. All right, and then it loads it. And we need to also change the first language, and we need to change it to the destination language. And now, there we go. So paying attention to this syntax up here. Put it in larger screen. What we got is equals gets the formula started. You always have to have the equals. And then Google Translate, parentheses, the cell number, quotation marks, the starting language, and then the destination language, and then end the parentheses. And that gets you there. Once you have your translation in effect, then you can just drag from one cell to the next, and it updates B5, the cell reference B6, B7, okay? And all you do is fill down, you're good to go. Another thing I like to do is just make sure I got my cell wrapping. So I'm going to go up to here, and suddenly everything is wrapped. And I'll select the whole column, make sure everything is wrapped. I can then copy this, Control C, and paste it. And what it's doing is copying and pasting the formula. And so as long as I paste in that way, it's always referring to the thing in the same line. Anyway, give it a shot.